Hey everyone. So today we are working on subtracting double-digit whole numbers. It's a fairly simple concept. Once you guys see a few examples, I'm confident you'll understand it. So for our first example, we have 22 minus 10. So all we have to do first is look at the first number, 22, and just write it down. That's our first step. Step number two, we're going to take the second number, 10. We're going to go minus and write the 10 right beneath the 22 equals. Okay, now hopefully we get it set up just like this. All we gotta do is subtract from the going right to left, up and down. And what I mean by this is here. So we're gonna start with the right numbers. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And now we're gonna subtract these numbers. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So our final answer is going to be 12. Okay, and for our second example, we have 36 minus 23. So again, first step, just write out that 36. Second step, the minus 23. We have to do minus 23 right below it, right beneath the 36. It's important. Equals. Now all I have to do is subtract down. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. So we have a final answer of 13. And for our third example, we have 47 minus 21. And feel free to pause the video and try it yourself if you're confident already. If not, I'm going to go through it again. So we have, once again, step number one, just write down that 47. Step number two, minus the 21 right beneath it, equals. And again, just subtract straight down. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, 47 minus 21 equals 26. And for our final example, we're gonna pretend like these are tennis balls. Sorry for my horrible artistic abilities. But so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tennis balls on this side, subtracted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 14 minus 11 equals. So remember, step number one, write down that 14. Step two, minus the 11 right below it, equals, and just go down. So 4 minus 1 equals 3, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So our final answer is 3 tennis balls.